Changing the chrome to black on my rear fender here. First coating right now. Here you go. That's just the first coat. So I sand this down, took all this shiny polish thing out of the chrome so this paint will stick. And let's see how it goes here in a little bit. I hope that's gonna turn out all right. We need to figure this out. Okay. On to the second coat. All right, this is the third coating right now. Emblem. Forget about the Ford. Just gonna keep it all black. That's the third coat right there. Okay, looking good so far, in and out. And no bubble on this thing. I gotta have to go wait for a few minutes to dry out, and I'm gonna continue to finish it off. Here you go. And let's see what happens later. In this case, I don't have to change my bumper, front and the back. It's all matched up, and it should be looking good. Okay. Here we go. About covering up the Ford name. At least right now, it's pretty much all just like black and white.